fixing the broken ice cream truck.
It's so hot. That's the ice cream truck. I must be having an illusion because of this heat. Whoa! It's not an illusion. That's great. I want 10 ice creams. What's that? It stinks.
Oh, I'm broken. That's why I can't make any more ice cream.
Don't cry. I know someone who can help you.
Oh, no, that really stinks.
Everyone says you're the best mechanic around. Do you think you can help me?
Sure I can. Dear friends, are you ready for the job? Uh-oh! This is the signal for low battery. We need to recharge the ice cream truck first. The battery is charged. Ice cream truck, try to move around a bit.
Oh, this feels good. But I still have that really awful stink. The food in my fridge must have rotted when the battery died and I lost my power.
Don't worry. We can clean up the fridge for you.
Goodness! Super Mechanic Barry fainted from the smell!
Oh, it's really smelly. We must clean this now. Let's start by removing the fill.
Wow, the fridge is so clean!
Lastly, we'll put in the fresh foods. Let's see what's in the grocery basket.
The bad smell is finally all gone.
Please check to see if you can already make tasty ice cream truck.
Sure!
Wow, there are so many flavors.
How about adding some fresh fruit? I was able to make delicious and sweet ice cream.
The repair is done. Dear friends, you were awesome.
Thanks for your help today. As a thank you gift, here's some delicious ice cream for you.
Wow! The tow truck is broken.
I can't move, Bump Bump.
I feel awful, Bump Bump.
Don't be afraid. Tow Truck William is here. Bumper cars, hold hands tightly. Mission accomplished. It's raining. Go and hurry home.
Thank you, Tow Truck William.
Oh, Tow Truck William, help me, please. It's Monster Truck. monster truck. Hang in there, okay? I have to go to Barry's repair station first.
Huh? Tow Truck William? You're here. What happened to you?
Super Mechanic Barry, could you repair me, please? Monster truck still needs me to rescue him.
Leave this to me.
Huh?
Dear friends, are you ready to begin?
Oh?
Let's attach a stronger arm to the tow truck. Oh, don't forget to screw it on tightly. Heave ho, heave ho, heave ho.
The new arm feels so sturdy now.
Hold on.
Huh?
Why do I hear air leaking somewhere? Uh-oh! You have a flat tire. This can't be right.
Oh.
Let me take a look. Oh! There's a rip in the tire. First, let's sew the rip with needle and thread. And then, let's pump air into the tire.
I feel great. I feel so much stronger now.
The repair is done. Dear friends, well done.
It's still raining outside. I need to hurry and save Monster Truck. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and good luck.
Is anyone around to help me? I can't hold out much longer here.
I'm coming. Hey. We did it!
Wow! Thanks for your help, Tow Truck William.
You're welcome. Oh, we're both so dirty now. Looks like we need to go to Barry's repair station again.
The bunny car's new outfit.
Happy birthday! Baby, this is your present.
Wow, it's a super big candy. Thank you, Daddy. I really love this gift.
Baby, Mommy also has a present for you.
Huh? What is it, Mommy?
Come with me and you'll find out, baby.
Barry's repair station? Mommy, why have you brought me here? Hi, welcome, baby bunny car. I heard that you're getting a new outfit. Mommy, is this my birthday gift? I love it.
Super Mechanic Barry, I'll leave it to you. Make my baby happy.
You can count on me. Dear friends, let's give baby bunny car a new outfit together. I can't wait. What will I become? I'm excited. Trust me, you'll be happy with it. There's a crack on baby bunny car's face. Let's give her a facial first. We have 4 kinds of facial masks. Baby bunny car, which one do you like? I'll choose a blueberry one. It smells nice. All done. Let's wait for a while. We'll rinse the facial mask off. Then dry with a towel. Ah! dress-up baby bunny car. Baby bunny car, what color do you like to wear? I still prefer pink. No problem. Wow, so pretty. I like it. And now, let's give baby bunny car some pretty accessories. We'll change the black tires first. Heave, ho! Heave, ho! Let's change them into pink tires. Let's change the other side too. Heave, ho! Heave, ho! All the tires are changed. Baby bunny car, what do you think about it? Wow! I feel like I'm the prettiest baby bunny car in the world. Something seems missing. Ah, I remember now. This blue ribbon will make you even prettier. Wow! I love this outfit. The repair is done. Dear friends, thanks for your help.
Wow, baby, you look so pretty now.
Thank you, Super Mechanic Barry. I'd like to invite you to my birthday party. I'll be there. Happy birthday, baby bunny car. Restore the ancient shipwreck. Huh? What is this place? Why have I never been here before?
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Hello there, little one.
Huh? Who said that? Where did that voice come from?
Oh, ho, ho. It was me. I said it. I'm a shipwreck.
Oh, you scared me. What are you doing here?
Oh, it's a long story, little one. I used to be an explorer, you know.
Wow!
But one day, a huge storm came and it destroyed me, and I ended up sinking here. I have been sitting here for at least 100 years.
100 years? Don't you ever want to leave?
I do want to leave, but I'm stuck so I can't move. Can you help me, little one?
I know! Super Mechanic Barry can surely help you. Huh? Mr. Shipwreck!
Excuse me. Please call me Mr. Explorer. I prefer being called by this name.
Sure, Mr. Explorer. Dear friends, let's repair the shipwreck.
Whoa, ho, ho. Slow down, please. These old bones of mine are falling apart on me.
There's a lot of seaweed on his body. We need to trim them off of him.
Oh, I feel so much better now. But you know, I still have a little stomach ache.
Don't worry. I'm going to get that all checked out. Wow! There's quite a lot inside of you. We'll use the fish net to catch the fish first. Oh no! It didn't work! We need a bigger net for this. Huh? What's this thing? Wow! A treasure box!
My stomach feels much better now. To thank you, you can keep the box of treasure.
Thank you! We still need to get the water out of the cabin.
I feel a lot better now. I feel as if I'm a few years younger.
The repair is done. Dear friends, you've done a great job.
Thanks a lot, Super Mechanic Barry. I'm going to continue exploring the ocean. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Safe travels. Oh, right. The box Mr. Explorer gave me. I wonder what's inside it. Oh! Huh? Ah! Wow! It's a screwdriver. This is great. Police car wheel is broken.
I protect Barrytown. My name is Sheriff Lake.
Oh my goodness! Someone's robbing the bank!
Give me that right now.
Oh no, something bad happened.
Haha! Bye! Thanks for the money!
You stop!
Oh? It's Sheriff Lake! You want to catch me? No way! I think I'm gonna give you a hard time. Hey there, Sheriff Lake! Watch where you're going!
Oh no!
Sorry, I've got to go. I hope not to see you again.
Hey, stop! Oh no, I have to go to Barry's repair station.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Barry's repair station. My name is Super Mechanic Barry. Oh, someone's coming. Oh, it's Sheriff Lake.
Super Mechanic Barry, please, I need your help right now.
Sure, no problem. Come on, friends. Let's fix the police car together.
Huh?
Oh, there's a nail stuck inside the car wheel. That's why the tire deflated. Let's use pliers to pull out the nail first. Oh, the tire is still deflating. Let's use some rubber to cover the hole.
My tire is still flat. There's no air.
Don't worry. I'm going to inflate your tire now.
Wow, this looks so cool.
And now, let's go to the car wash.
Wow, this car wash looks so professional.
Let's go ahead and see what's inside the toolbox. I think we should spray some washing liquid first. Oh, it looks like there are 2 spray bottles here. Which one should I use?
This one tastes sweet.
Oh my goodness! This is chocolate syrup.
Super Mechanic Barry, are you trying to make a police car cake? It tickles!
Now then, let's rinse the bubbles off with water.
Oh, that feels so cool!
Lastly, let's wipe the water off with a rag.
Wow, I feel so great!
Mission accomplished. Hey friends, thanks a lot for your help.
And now, I can continue doing my duty.
Help me!
What's that?
Hand over your wallet now.
A citizen needs my help. Goodbye, Barry.
Okay, Sheriff Lake, goodbye!
All this is mine now. Oh, it's Sheriff Lake. Gosh, I'd better run. I'm getting tired. I finally shook him off.
So who did you shake off?
Oh no!
Freeze! You're under arrest.
I promise not to do it again.
The excavator got a boo-boo.
I'm Excavator Kubo, the best construction vehicle in Barrytown. Woohoo!
Oh, wow! Kubo is so cool!
I want to be an excavator too.
It's time to show off my skills.
Kubo, you look so terrible.
No. I'm feeling good. Look at me. My scooper arm is still very strong.
Oh gosh, Kubo! Stop right now! I think we should go to Barry's repair station.
Oh, it's Excavator Kubo. Welcome to my station.
Super Mechanic Barry, I fell into a very big hole. Can you fix the damage to me?
Yes, of course. Let's go. Let's repair the excavator.
Oh, slow down! I think I'm breaking apart now.
Oh, there's a piece of broken glass. I think we should remove it first. Phew, that was a close shave. And now, we need to find a suitable piece of glass and have it installed. We have 3 pieces of glass with different shapes. Which one should we pick?
Without the glass, my heart feels so cold in the wind. Please hurry up.
Oh, I think this is the one. Aha! We did it!
Super Mechanic Barry, it seems like my scooper arm feels heavier.
Oh, don't worry. I'll fix your mechanical arm right now. Okay, let's do this. Screw in the arm tighter.
Haha! My arm feels strong again. Ouch! My body still hurts a bit. Ow!
Your body is hurt in 2 spots.
Oh, can I still be repaired?
Don't worry. I'm going to fix you. This crack isn't too big. A bit of welding will help. Uh-oh. It's much worse over here. And now, I'll weld and fix the crack. With a fresh coat of paint, you look even more dashing.
I like your suggestion. Please paint me, Barry.
Which color should we choose?
I want to try green. Oh my gosh! I look like I was poisoned.
Let's try yellow.
Wow! I look much cooler now.
You're all fixed. Dear friends, thanks for your help.
Super Mechanic Barry, thank you. I won't fall into a hole again.
Good luck to you.
I'd better get back to work now.
Goodbye, Kubo.
It's time to show off my awesome skills.
Wow, Kubo, so cool. The ambulance is sick.
Hee-haw! My baby! What's wrong?
Good evening. This is Ambulance Angie.
Angie! My poor baby fell down! Hee-haw!
Don't worry, I'll be there right away. Don't worry, I'm here. I've been busy all night. I'm tired. What's happening to me? Super Mechanic Barry. After working all night, I suddenly can't move.
Uh-oh! Dear friends, let's repair the ambulance together. Ambulance Angie, before we start, we'll give you a checkup first.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's a problem with your engine compartment. And now, let us open up the hood and take a look inside of it. There's so much dust inside, I can't see anything. Oh, there's not enough engine oil, so there's smoke coming out. Engine oil is refilled. Let's spray some cleaning liquid, and the engine can work better.
That's awesome. I feel so terrific.
Ambulance Angie, I think you need to get a good rest.
Oh, that sounds like a good idea. I feel much more energetic now.
The repair is done. Dear friends, thanks for your help.
Thanks for your help, Super Mechanic Barry.
Angie, please, I need your help right now.
Don't worry, I'll be there right away. I must set out for the rescue. Goodbye, Super Mechanic Barry.
Goodbye, and